discuss about polynomial regression. I am Leiban Tilan and this is MS312. What is polynomial regression? Polynomial regression is a type of regression where the relationship between the independent variable, which is x, and dependent variable y is modeled as an nth-degree polynomial. Unlike linear regression, which fits a straight line, polynomial regression fits a curved line to the data. Here is the formula. Key feature. It captures trend patterns that are straight line, cannot making it ideal for datasets with curved relationships. When is polynomial regression used? Polynomial regression is used in a scenarios where the data shows a non-linear trend. Some examples include predicting house price based on size and location, modeling the growth of population over time, forecasting sales trends in seasonal markets. How do you use polynomial regression? Here is a step-by-step process. First, you need to collect data. Gather the independent variable, which is x, and dependent y variables. Visualize the data. Use scatter plot to identify patterns or trends. Transform variables. Create polynomial features by raising the independent variable to the power to different powers. Fit the model. Use tools like Python's scikit learn to train the polynomial regression model. Evaluate the model. Use metrics like R-squared to check how well the model fits the data. Applications of polynomial regression. Polynomial regression is widely used in various fields such as physics, finance, health, agriculture. Here's an example in a real-world scenario. Let's consider a real-world example. Predicting a house prices based on the size of house and its age. Dependent variables. Size of house in squares meters scale. Age of the house in years scale. Dependent variables. House price in PHP scale. Explanation. A larger house may generally cost more, but older houses decrease the value over time. The relationship between size, age, and price is often non-linear. Polynomial regression helps capture the nuance of provides a more accurate prediction model. In conclusion, polynomial is an excellent choice for analyzing and predicting data with non-linear trends. By transforming variables and fitting a curved model, it can uncover patterns that linear regression misses. I hope we learned something in this video. That's all.